Hey everyone, it's Paolo here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn Bitcoin instantly with AI. And the best part about this is that you can create your account for free and you can get started with this platform 100% for free, and you can earn up to 25% commission. So what I'll do is I will show you some tips and strategies on how I made these 12,250 US dollars. And I will show you exactly how to use this AI software and tools platform. So basically the way this works is that you just need to create a free account. So all the links will be in the comment section, so you can go to this website. So I'll put the link in the comment section so you can check this out. And then when you go to this website, you just have to watch this video that explains how you can earn Bitcoin instantly with AI. So there's like a short video here that explains how it works, and then you can also check out the information on the website and how you can make the money, which I will explain later in the video. And then basically there are 4 simple steps that you have to do, which are: step number 1, you create your free account; step number 2, you add your Bitcoin wallet address; and then step number 3, you activate your matrix; and step number 4, you can start using AI, grow and automate and earn. So what I'll do now is I will show you the steps that you have to do so you can get started with this platform. So when you go to this website, again, the link will be in the comment section. The next step that you want to do is you just click this button that says create my account, my free account now. And then from here, what you want to do is complete this form, and then you hit on submit. Once you are taken on the next page, it will ask you to put your Bitcoin wallet address because all the commissions are paid out in Bitcoin. So if you don't have a Bitcoin wallet address yet, what you can do is sign up with Coinbase. So it's 100% for free as well to sign up with Coinbase. And you can use the link in the comment section so you can get an additional $10 worth of Bitcoin. So you just go to this website and then you click on sign up, and then you complete the sign up form. Once you do that, you can then log in into your Coinbase account. So this is exactly how it looks like. Okay, so this is how Coinbase looks like. And then from here, what you want to do is you scroll down, and what you want to do here is you click on receive crypto because you are receiving your commissions. So whether you like it or not with this platform, even if you don't promote, as soon as you sign up and activate your account, you can get paid in Bitcoin commissions. So I will explain that later in the video. So if you click on BTC or Bitcoin, and then select Bitcoin, and then from here, what you want to do is you click on this icon or copy this, right? So click on this icon, so it will copy your Bitcoin wallet address. And then after that, the next step is you go back to your sign up form, and again, when you hit on submit, it will ask you to put your Bitcoin wallet address. And then once you do that, you basically completed step number 1 and step number 2, which is really simple. So step number 3 is to activate the matrix. So when they say activate the matrix, what they're saying is that you need to go to this part right here. Okay, so this one right here. So once you sign up for an account, this is exactly how it looks like. So when you first log in into your E1U Life dashboard, alright, so you click on dashboard. So this is exactly how it looks like. So you can also see, okay. And then you go to, let's have a look. So if I go back here, let me just quickly show you how it looks like. Alright, and then from here, when you first log in, this is where you will be able to see your commissions earned, the credit balance, and these are the different tools and the different AI software that you can activate. And all you need to do is basically purchase the credits first, and then you can activate the different tools and the software. And that's exactly what other people can do as well. Now, as soon as you become a member and you become an affiliate, the next step that you want to do for you to be able to make commissions, make the most commissions, What you want to do next is go to this part, and it says affiliate portal. So when you go to the affiliate portal, it will take you to this part right here. So click on affiliate portal on the left, and as soon as you become an affiliate, okay, so you will be given all these different referral links, so you can start promoting your link, which I will explain later in the video. Now, before you do any promotion, what you want to do next is you want to activate your credit matrix or your credits. You want to activate your matrix, because as a free affiliate, you can earn 25% commission whenever people join and they sign up and they purchase. But instead of just earning 25% commission, my recommendation is that you activate your matrix so you can earn 100% commissions. So why settle for 25% commission if you can get 100% commission? So what you do is you go to the credit matrix, and then from here, the next step that you want to do, okay, so there you go. You can see this is the matrix, and you can see that in my account, I have this total earnings and total leads, total referrals. So the way this works is that for you to activate the different AI tools and software, you need to activate these different matrix, and each of these matrix has an equivalent credits that you can use to activate the matrix or to activate the different AI tools and software. And then I will explain these boards on how you can get paid. So basically how it works is, yes, you simply activate. So everybody starts with a $10 matrix, and then you can activate the $25, the $100, $500, and $1,000. It's entirely up to you, depending on your budget. So again, if you want to become, if you just want to earn 25% commission, you can stay as a free member. But if you want to get 100% commissions, you just need to activate all these different matrix. And it's entirely up to you depending on your budget. So to get started, the minimum amount is $10. All you need to do is click on activate, and then it will ask you to pay this amount of Bitcoin. So basically the way this works is that you need to pay that $10. There is an admin fee of I think this is a 10% of the amount. So that will be like $12.50 in total, and it will give you the exact amount that you need to pay in Bitcoin, and it will give you the Bitcoin wallet address as well. So what you want to do, if you want to use your credit card, you can scroll down and you click on pay with credit card and you use MoonPay. But if you want to use Coinbase, all you need to do is go to Coinbase, and then from here what you want to do is buy the Bitcoin. So you put the amount here, buy the Bitcoin, review the order. Once you purchase the Bitcoin, next step that you want to do is click on send crypto. Okay, really simple. And then from here what you want to do next is you copy this Bitcoin wallet address, go to Coinbase, paste that Bitcoin wallet address, and then send the amount. Basically copy this number right here, and then go back to Coinbase, paste that amount, and then send the crypto. Once it's activated, you click on verify the payment, and then once it's verified, it will now show you that you have active matrix. So it will now give you a button that says view active matrix. Once you do that part, the next step is you need to activate the $25, $100, $500, and $1,000. Once it's activated, okay, so you have now completed steps number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. So basically what will happen next is that because the matrix, the way this works, the way this company works, it works with what they call the 2x3 board or 2x3 matrix. And you will see it here, there's a note on the website that once you own a matrix, you never have to buy it again. It keeps running on what you earn. And the best part, you don't have to recruit to earn. Okay, it says here, you don't have to recruit to earn. New members enter the system and the matrix fill, but if you do share it with others, you move through faster and you earn even more. So let me just quickly explain how this works, because a lot of people tend to get confused with this one. So as soon as you activate your matrix, let's say for example this one right here, let's say you activate your $1,000 matrix. Okay, so we click this and it will show you the active matrix, and this will show you your active matrix and the board. Okay, so based on the website right here, you can see the way this system works. It works in what they call the force 2x3 matrix. So that means two members, one on the left, one on the right, and 2x3 means 3 levels down. So as you can see, there's 1, 2, and 3. If I go to my matrix, exactly how it works. Again, 2x3 matrix, one on the left, one on the right, and then 3 levels down. So there's no other option. As soon as you join and as soon as you activate your matrix, the way the system works, it will put members in your matrix because it's a force 2x3 matrix. There's no other way, there's no other option, but the system will place members into your matrix. So whether you like it or not, whether you promote or not, the system will place members into your matrix. And then whenever the system places members in your pay line, which is on the 3rd level, as you can see on this 3rd level, this is what we call the pay line. Whenever the system places paid member in your pay line, that is how you get paid the commission. So you can see in my account, as soon as a member join, so this is, let's say this member paid the $1,000, so that's an instant $1,000 commission. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically that's $5,000 worth of Bitcoin commission. So this one right here. Now you can see on the website, it talks about payouts per matrix. So what it means when it talks about cycle, so what it means is that 7 members on the pay line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's $7,000 worth of Bitcoin commissions going to your Bitcoin wallet address. When the 8th member joined and paid his $1,000, that will trigger a cycle, or that will trigger a completed cycle. And that $1,000 will not go to your Bitcoin wallet address, but it will go to the company. And then what will happen is it will open up a new matrix, and then the cycle repeats itself. Again, the system places members in your matrix, in your pay line, and when people are placed in your pay line, that's how you get the commission. So that's why they say once you own a matrix, you never have to buy it again. It keeps running on what you earn. And even if you don't recruit, you will be making the money. So that's exactly how it works, right? And if you go to the transaction history, this is how you will be able to check all the commissions that are coming in. So you can see it here. If I go to my account, if I go to, let's say, this one right here, you can see it here. All these Bitcoin commissions like $500, $500, $1,000, all these commissions coming in. And this will happen to you as well, because essentially you're copying my campaign. So this one right here. Okay, so $1,000, $500, and this goes straight to your Bitcoin wallet address. Now, if you want to do your own promotion, you can do that as well. So what you do is, once you have your affiliate link, okay, so once you have all your affiliate link, what you can do is buy the traffic package from the affiliate marketing traffic agency. So the link will be in the comment section. So let's say you want to promote your link on Facebook or Google. You just simply purchase any of this traffic package, and then once you purchase your traffic package, you just need to give your link, and then essentially you just message me on my Facebook page. Okay, so message me on my Facebook page and then give me your link, and then once you give me your link, I will promote your link. And when I promote your link, basically people will go to your link, they sign up, and they activate their account. And when they activate their account, that's exactly how you will make the Bitcoin commissions with GoE1U Live. So really simple, right? So even complete beginners can do this. So again, all the links will be in the comment section, so you can sign up and activate your account. And I hope that you like this video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So thanks for watching, guys. All the links will be in the comment section. I wish you all the best, and God bless.